How to delete the saved password from your Google account. So in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about the your Google password manager, and where you can find your password saved password in your Google account. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. So if I using Chrome browser or any other browser, so guys, basically there is a two type password manager. First is your browser password manager, and second is your Google account password manager. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you both. So first let me clear about the Chrome browser password manager. So just click on this three dot option. Here we need to go in settings. Under the settings, here you can see the autofill. Under the autofill, you can password manager here. So here you can find your all passwords saved in your browser. Okay, you can delete from here, you can just remove, or just hit this three dot option, remove it, it will be removed. Now we are going to talk about the Google account password manager. Okay, the login information and password also saved in your Google account. So how you can find it? Just come to the Google account, just click on the logo or your profile photo, go to the manage your Google account, and under the manage your Google account you can see your all information here. Go to the security, just scroll down, and here you can see the option called password manager, and here you will see the all your password which saved and login information. If you want to delete it, just hit the login information, like I just hit the Facebook. If you do first time, then you will need to enter your current password. Just enter your current password here, and now it will be show like this, and from here you can delete from here. Okay, just click on hit the delete, it will be delete. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.